INTEX Aqua Power, and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset by using the settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use the apps icon, find here and select the settings. Scroll down and here you need to find and select the backup and reset. So let me tap it. From backup and reset, let's find and select factory data reset. Here you've got the information about the process, so you will erase your Google account, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. If you are aware of this, let's tap reset phone and confirm operation by tapping erase everything. Let's wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running, let's just wait until the welcome panel pops up on the screen. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so now you can activate and set up your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.